If you want to record phone calls on Samsung Galaxy S25, then you will need to download a third-party app that allows you to make those voice recordings of phone calls. So let's search for Cube ACR. This is the app that I have been using so far, and it works pretty much all the time. Of course, feel free to try any other app. And now, besides that, we can also download one more thing, and that is a helper, but this time you're gonna go to the Galaxy Store. The helper allows the app to be working properly. So let's enter Cube ACR helper, and this is the app that we need to install. So let's install it. And once it is installed, of course, we want to open it. Then let's press next. Go to grant permissions. Of course, grant the permission for the app. And then let's go to enable app connector. Go to installed apps, choose Cube ACR app connector and turn it on and press allow. And then let's press OK and allow. Alright, done. Now we can press open Cube ACR. Let's go next. Once again, grant permissions. There we go. Over here we can press OK in order to disable the power optimization for the app. Press allow. Geotagging doesn't need to be, you don't have to use it, so we can press no thanks and then press OK, got it. Now over here we can close ads by pressing this X in the top left corner. There we go. And there we go. Now the app is pretty much set up. We can tap on these three lines on the left side in the top left corner, and we need to make sure that enable recording is on. We can also go to recording settings in order to find such options as the auto start recording, which allows you to automatically record calls when they begin. So this is pretty much it. Now, if you make a call, in this case, because the automatic recording is enabled, you don't really have to do anything to start recording. So let's answer the phone call. And what I found is that usually the first 5 seconds of the call are not recorded. So if you need to know about this, then of course, keep that in mind. After those 5 seconds, there should be no issues at all with recording the phone call. And as you can see over here in notifications, you should be able to find Cube ACR helper and the Cube ACR itself, informing that the phone call is being recorded. Now, once it is done, you can find those recordings in the Cube ACR app. So let's go to the app, and over here we have the phone call. We can of course press play in order to listen to it. We can tap on these three dots on the right side in order to find more options, and that is essentially it. Be sure to go through these settings in order to set it up as you wish it to be. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!